Today, I'm going to talk about HPLC columns. Are you familiar with the contents of an HPLC column? An HPLC column is the heart of an HPLC or UHPLC instrument. Depending on the purpose of the analysis, an appropriate column is selected and installed in the instrument. An HPLC column consists of a cylindrical pipe filled with fine particles known as packing material. Have you ever read a catalog of HPLC columns? In a catalog, there is various information about packing materials. First, let's talk about the functional group. We removed the packing material from a column and dissolved it in water on one side and in an organic solvent on the other. When placed in water, packing material repelled the liquid, but in an organic solvent packing material blended well. This difference arises from the types of functional groups used for modification. There are various types of functional groups used for modification, and these are selected based on the samples to be measured. I will introduce the functional groups used to modify packing materials, categorized into three groups: normal phase, reversed phase, and Hillock. The first group is reversed phase columns. They can be used to analyze a wide range of compounds. For example, reversed phase columns include octa-decyl groups and octyl groups. Among HPLC columns, those bonded with octa-decyl group are the most commonly used. When analyzing highly polar compounds that are not retained by reversed phase columns, Hillock columns are used. For example, Hillock columns include amide groups and aminopropyl groups. For sugar analysis, NH2 columns are used. Normal phase columns are used when analyzing compounds with similar hydrophobicity. For example, normal phase columns include diol groups and bare silica. Normal phase columns can be used to analyze samples with similar hydrophobicities. If you are unsure about which product to choose due to the large number of options available, please contact GL Sciences.